everyone, long time no see. Came back to the US for a couple of weeks. This has been my first visit since 2021, which I did not realize until I came back to the US. And I am packing a barrel for myself because I did so much clothes shopping. I didn't realize how much stuff I purchased. I am packing my very first barrel ever. So when I moved to Nigeria, I packed my car full of stuff and then got that 1 year later when they finally released my car. So now I am packing my first barrel, so it should arrive in Nigeria, Lagos, Nigeria, in 30 days. And I am leaving to go back to Lagos next week. So yeah, long time no see, but I have been in Nigeria. I'm packing my first barrel and I'm going to repack it because, as you see, I'm packing lashes and shoes and clothes. And I looked online. I found a lot of Caribbeans sending stuff back home. So they're talking about like packing the heaviest things on the bottom. So that's clearly those shoes. So I'm just gonna repack and restart this whole thing. That's kind of crazy because I'm shipping this stuff and then like this bag, that bag, that bag, this bag on the bottom, this suitcase, it's completely full, this bag, this, and these things. So yeah, I just mostly did a lot of clothes shopping, and today I'm probably gonna go to Sam's Club or maybe Walmart and buy like toothpaste and some like shampoo or whatever. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna go get. It's a bit insane. I did not realize how intense it was to pack a barrel. When I was growing up, my parents sent barrels all the time to the village and they disappeared. I never even saw them pack it. Completely overestimated how much I was buying. This has been my first summer visiting since I moved to Nigeria. And I always visit in the winter. So when I come in the winter, I don't buy anything. I'm gonna be honest. I just buy some sneakers, some workout pants, and that's it. That's actually all. That's the extent of my buying. So this is my very first summer visiting. I will try to avoid winters in the US moving forward. The shopping has been incredible. I forgot about the sales. I'm a little bit concerned because this is actually almost filled and I still have this bag to go, this bag, this bag, this bag, and that bag, and this bag. So I'm concerned. Also, this is my parents' garage, so I know there's like a lot of bags around, but I just pointed out my bags. It's insane. I don't know what to do. Okay, as you can see, it's almost to the top. I still have a lot to go, and I still have like 3 bags of clothes to put in here. Okay, it's a new day. I had to go get a second container because I didn't realize how many things I had. And it's crazy because I actually wanted to fly with this stuff. I'm delusional. So I'm flying out in 2 days. So I'm just gonna pack my second container, 2 bags of clothes left. My second container is pretty much empty. I decided to pop into Sam's Club and just buy some detergent, cleaning products, toilet paper, toilet tissue. By the way, all of these things you can get in Nigeria. Well, since I'm gonna ship a second container anyway, let me just get some things from Sam's Club and just pop it into the container. So let me show you the second container. This is the second container. The cleaning products, so OxyClean, detergent. I got powder detergent just because I'm paranoid about if I got a liquid detergent, it like, you know, busting and spraying all over the place. I'm so worried about that kind of stuff. So I'm not really traveling that much with that many liquids. And as you can see, it's filled to the brim and I put plastic on top just because I had some extra plastic. That's my old busted phone. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, I'm finally done. As you can see, I really jammed as much toilet paper on top as I could. It's full. 2 containers heading to Nigeria. Hopefully it'll get there. They said 30 days, so it's like snail mail. Both barrels have my full name, my phone number, and the place it was going to, so I could not figure out how to blur it out. And so yeah, so each barrel was $250, so it was a total of $500 to ship 2 barrels from New Jersey to all the way to Lagos, Nigeria. But that was 2023. That was July 2023, so I do not know the price right now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.
make sure you check out my YouTube channel, Ivroma Media.